welcome to today's video. And on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to back up and restore your backup on your Signal application. So if you are making use of Signal application and you want to back up the application, you see the menu icon on the top right hand area. Click on that and then click on the settings just before the bottom of the test right there. Scroll down to where it says chat, and then you are going to notice on the bottom area where it says backup. All right, go ahead and click on backup. So when you click on chat backup, this is going to load up. You notice currently this is turned on, right? But for your case it might this is actually turned off, so we are going to go ahead and turn it on by clicking on turn on. Now you notice it says to enable backup, choose a folder. To enable backup, choose a folder, and then backup will be saved on this location. So go ahead and click on choose a folder. So I already have an active backup, which is this one, and pay attention to the date also. Pay attention to the date, to the time rather. So I'm going to click on allow access and then allow. So now this is actually the important part. You need to actually copy this key. This actually does not this actually automatically generates different key phrases. So once you tap on it, it's going to be copied. Now what I usually do for my own case, you can save this anywhere you want, but I just go to my messenger or my message area, I click on compose, and then I paste my key phrase right there because I know it's going to be saved. And then I'm going to say key, or you can just put whatever you want. So I'm going to say key phrase, and after typing key phrase, I am going to just back out. This is going to be saved as draft. You notice that written right there. So now let's assume the next thing you need to do is to click on enable backup. So you click on that, and this is going to enable your backup. You notice it says please acknowledge by your understanding by marking the confirm icon. So click on this confirm icon, which is actually what I missed, and then click on enable backup. You notice now it has enabled the backup and is right backed up here. You notice this just created, you can see right there. So anytime you want to back up manually, you can always tap it and then the backup will start. You notice if I tap on it, the backup is going to start. So it's going to back up and it's going to be saved on your device. You can actually check it manually by going to the folder area and internal storage, and I think it's downloads. So this is Signal backup, and these are the two backups. You notice the one I just backed up now, and I think this is another one I also backed up now. So do not forget that the key phrase is important. So close this, close your Signal. Let me just close everything. Now I'm going to click on this three-dot icon, go to storage, clear data, and then it has cleared. You notice there is no data right now, right? But apart from that, uninstall the application. This is not necessary. I'm just doing this so that you guys will see that this works. And then go right to Android Play Store and then re-download it by searching for Signal and tap install. I am going to wait for it to finish installing and then we continue. All right, so the download is successful. Now click on open, and then you notice just on the bottom you notice where it says restore, transfer or restore account. You click on that. Now this I am going to skip this, so I'm going to say not now. This is really not necessary. Now you can either choose this or you will choose the second option. So if you are transferring from your messenger from an old Android device to a new one, that means you have both Signal application active. But then I want to restore from backup, which is, let's say you downloaded it and then you saved it on a phone, sent to an email, you can always restore this. So I chose the local backup, and then I'm clicking next. Now you notice it says restore from backup, all of the information. Click on choose file. Now there are multiple files, the first and the second. So I think they are actually the same thing, so I'm just going to choose any one, and then I'm going to select restore. Now it's asking for the key phrase. Now I'm going to go back to my email where I have it saved, and I'm going to go to I think it should be on draft, and this is the key phrase. You remember I saved it as key phrase. So I'm going to highlight everything, select all, copy, then come right back here and then paste it and click on restore. So when you click restore, this is going to start loading up. Now, when it finishes loading up, you will actually have to put in your phone number once more. So I'm going to put in my phone number by starting with my country code and then entering the detail. So I just entered in the detail and then I'm going to click on continue. This is actually my previous chart. You can see the date of the chart. Everything was restored, and yes guys, everything is good. And this is actually every information that you need to know on how to back up and restore your Signal particular application chart. So if you have any issue, please let me know on the comment section. This should work perfectly well. Guys, I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.